Every landmark begins on untouched ground.
Precision defines the start.
Strength checked beneath the surface. Shaping the footprint. Distributing the future. Strength woven into every meter.
Where weight will rest.
Future walls lock into place. Liquid strength forms roots. Support grows upward. Alignment is non-negotiable.
The base is shielded.
No space left to settle.
Authorized to rise.
Tomorrow, height begins. Precision lifting begins as the steel backbone of Ferrari World rises into place. Robotic welders fuse each joint, guaranteeing strength built for decades.
These arches echo Ferrari's racing DNA, aerodynamic by design.
Every bolt locked with millimeter accuracy, nothing left to chance. The support ribs rise, shaping the park's aerodynamic frame. Laser mapping ensures the real structure matches the virtual blueprint. Inside the skeleton, the heartbeat of construction feels alive. Thermal imaging confirms every weld cools at the ideal pace. The ceiling lattice forms, catching sunlight like polished metal. Tension cables distribute weight, inferior, a core of engineering balance.
High-torque rivets lock the frame, sealing strength into steel. Digital plans match reality for sport. Construction stays flawlessly on course.
Future F1 thrill rides get plotted, their locations locked in.
The emblem of legacy arrives, the heart of the brand. The emblem of legacy arrives, the heart of the brand.
Welcome inside the machine, Badley. The beast awakens from within.
The aerodynamic roof arrives, elite, precision lowered into place like wings on a supercar. Every bolt, a heartbeat, securing the crown to its frame. The aerodynamic roof arrives, precision lowered into place like wings on a supercar. Every bolt, a heartbeat, securing the crown to its frame. The curved canopy stretches forward, covering the skeleton like aerodynamic skin. Robots glide across seams, sealing perfection into every meter. Thermal barriers defend the structure against desert heat and putper. Science meets necessity. At the center, the heart of Ferrari World begins to beat. The surface gleams, polished like the body of a championship car.
Every step tests integrity, and the red roof responds like a living machine.
Light pours in, illuminating the future home of F1 thrills.
The final piece rises, history in motion. This is legacy being built.
And just like that, the desert gains a new crown.
People, effort, dreams, all under one roof, and literally.
Every thrill begins as a line on the ground, the blueprint of adrenaline.
Support pillars rise like the bones of a mechanical beast. Precision torque ensures stability. Every bolt counters gravity. The first rail, where speed will soon scream to life. The track curves, 100 kilometers of excitement condensed into one loop.
These pistons are the heart. Hero. 0 to 240 kilometers per hour in seconds.
Speed is designed here to grow. Acceleration engineered with purpose.
Electromagnetic force, the invisible engine that propels dreams. Speed thrills, but control saves. Braking engineered with elegance. A cocoon of speed, protected from the desert outside.
Every seat tested, every possibility measured.
Pressure builds stride. Anticipation thicker than air.
The aerodynamic crown takes its final curve, precision in every millimeter. The entrance welcomes like a starting grid. Every guest begins at pole position.
Glass arcs blend architecture with motion. Translucence shaped like speed.
Wind simulations measure airflow from every angle. Speed is engineered here.
Ferrari DNA enters the architecture pony. Airflow guided like a racetrack. Rosso Corsa, the unmistakable red of Ferrari, wrapped around every curve.
Racing stripes appear, visual speed without movement.
Mathematics and motion. TC. Engineered thrill without compromise. Mathematics and motion. Engineered thrill without compromise.
The first chassis, waiting to be crowned in Ferrari red.
Its body born Villeneuve, aerodynamic like the cars that conquered circuits. Wind reveals secrets. Every curve must honor the laws of speed.
In a heartbeat, motion becomes flight.
A symbol removed from its crate paint. Heritage ready to crown a kingdom of speed. The name becomes the identity, a signature in steel and pride.
In the desert, resilience is not an option, it's survival. Sun, heat, wind, every threat measured before grand opening. Hidden veins keep the building alive, and a silent circulatory system. Even the floor carries speed, motion, woven into design.
The signature Ferrari red, the color of speed, begins to take over. Lighting designed like the rear of an F1 car, visual horsepower. A racetrack carved in stone, oplo, guiding visitors like cars to the grid.
No thrill without safety. Performance demands protection. A touch of luxury taller, where innovation meets exclusivity.
Every inch perfected Briquet. Ferrari doesn't finish, it refines. Like a supercar in a showroom, the cover comes off.
Time to step inside history. The finish line is near.
Every minute, another piece comes together. Speed visible. Every bolt, every beam, every curve crane, designed to thrill millions who will walk through these doors.
And this is where vision becomes reality. A monument of speed, engineering, and imagination.
And just like that, the home of world record speed is ready. If you want more engineering wonders like